Most guys think looking stylish is all about brands or trends, but here's the truth. You don't need expensive clothes to look sharp and confident. It's all about how you dress and how you fit your clothes. So today, I'll show you exactly how to build a wardrobe and dress better in 4 simple steps, so you can always look your best. Let's start. Step 1. Dress simple. The first rule of style is simplicity. Bright colors, cartoon prints, and flashy logos may seem fun, but they actually make you look younger and distract from your overall appearance. Focus on clean, minimalistic clothes that fit your body properly. A black or white t-shirt that hugs your shoulders looks far better than a loud, oversized hoodie. Stick to neutral colors like black, white, gray, navy, beige, and olive green. They never go out of style. They match with almost anything and give a clean, masculine vibe. Pay attention to fit. Roll your sleeves slightly, tuck your shirt properly, and make sure your pants sit well on your shoes. Simple adjustments like this make even a basic outfit look intentional and premium. Step 2. Build your wardrobe. Start with the essentials. For top wear, get 2 basic t-shirts, 1 black and 1 white. These go with almost anything and keep your style clean. Add 2 shirts, 1 plain, 1 checkered. They can be worn casually or semi-formally and layered over t-shirts for extra style. For bottom wear, 2 pairs of jeans are enough, 1 dark blue, 1 black. Jeans are versatile and timeless. For a trendier, premium touch, consider a pair of baggy pants like Korean-style trousers, which go perfectly with simple tops. When it comes to layering, instantly makes your outfits look more expensive. A leather jacket adds confidence and edge, while a long coat in black, gray, or navy brings elegance and a subtle old money vibe. For footwear, start with 2 pairs only, white sneakers and black boots. Sneakers for casual looks, boots for smart or premium outfits. Keep them clean because dirty shoes ruin your look in seconds. Accessories should be simple but intentional. A leather strap watch, subtle bracelet, or belt can make an outfit appear more refined. These small details make your look feel complete. Step 3. Understand colors. Colors can completely transform your look. The best shades are gray, charcoal, navy, burgundy, and black. They give a clean, confident, and mature appearance. Follow the 3-color rule. Don't use more than 3 colors in a single outfit. For example, start with a white t-shirt, pair it with blue jeans and black shoes. This keeps your look clean, simple, and stylish. Just avoid too many colors or it will look messy. Another simple trick is wearing monochrome outfits. This means combining pieces from the same color family. For example, dark gray jeans with a black jacket or navy pants with a light blue shirt. This style makes your outfit look cleaner, more polished, and can even make you appear taller. Step 4. Find your own style. Even the most expensive clothes don't make you stylish if they don't match your personality. Your style should reflect who you are. Start by browsing Pinterest or Instagram and save outfits that catch your eye. Maybe your style is closer to streetwear, vintage looks, the Starboy aesthetic, or even old money elegance. Once you figure out what you like, start building your wardrobe around that vibe. If you like the Starboy aesthetic, focus on black, silver, leather, and boots. For a vintage look, go with neutral tones, tucked-in shirts, and loose pants. And if streetwear is your style, choose oversized tees, baggy jeans, and sneakers. When your wardrobe matches your personality, you automatically look confident. Real style isn't about copying trends, it's about wearing what feels like you. Stop buying random clothes that don't fit your vibe. Every piece should support your personal look. If you want to upgrade your style, comment your thoughts below and subscribe for more tips.